Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abiotic. 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 Abiotic is an adjective used in biology and ecology to describe non-living factors or elements in an ecosystem or environment. It refers to the physical and chemical components, such as water, temperature, minerals, and sunlight, that influence the living organisms in a particular habitat. Examples: 1. The abiotic factors, including soil pH and temperature, greatly affect the types of plants that can thrive in this region. In this sentence, abiotic factors refers to non-living elements like soil pH and temperature that impact plant growth in the region. 2. Marine biologists study the abiotic conditions in ocean ecosystems, such as water salinity and oxygen levels. Here, abiotic conditions encompass factors like water salinity and oxygen levels in ocean ecosystems. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.